Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz S560 4MATIC. This one's a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath it is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with 463 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch multi-spoke wheels. A silk beige espresso brown Napa leather interior with a high gloss pearl walnut light wood trim, panorama sunroof, S560 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, driver's assistance package with active distance assist, Distronic active steering assist, active lane assist, active blind spot assist. Premium One package with Burmeister sound system. Also included is the warmth and comfort package with heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, heated and cooled seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, hard keys for the media display. This S560 has 28,407 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz S560 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.